So on the next section, this is the 5 through 8. This is the one where we're solving matrix equations. And on these, you're looking for the same position in each matrix to write your equation that you're going to solve. So 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3 minus 3 times 2x equals a negative 21 is the first one. We first multiply the 3 times 2x, so we have 2x plus 3 minus 6x equals negative 21. Then we are going to combine like terms. Giving us negative 4x plus 3 is equal to a negative 21. We need to move the 3 to the other side by subtraction. And we end up with negative 4x is equal to negative 24. Then we'll divide both sides by negative 4, giving us x is equal to a positive 6. We're going to follow the same format going through each of the positions. And so the next one we'll be solving for v. And when we solve for v, these are the numbers we'll be using. So 5v minus 3 times 2v equals 4. Step 1 is going to be multiplying those two out. So 5v minus 6v equals positive 4. Then when you combine like terms, we end up with a negative v is equal to 4. Divide both sides by negative 1. And v is equal to a negative 4. Going on to the next one, we'll do the m's. And so m minus 7 minus 3 times m equals a negative 19. So 3 times m is the same thing as 3m. Combine like terms. Negative 2m minus 7 is equal to negative 19. And add 7 to both sides. We have a negative 2m is equal to a negative 12. Divide both sides by negative 2. And we have m is equal to a positive 6. The last one of this set. And we have our a's that we're solving for. So negative 5a minus 1 minus 3 times 2a is equal to 21. So negative 5a minus 1 minus 6a is equal to 21. Combine like terms. Negative 11a minus 1 is equal to positive 21. Add 1 to both sides. And we end up with negative 11a is equal to 22. Divide both sides by a negative 11. And we end up with a is equal to a negative 2.